What if your kitchen could cook smarter, not harder? Today, we're exploring 20 practical kitchen tools on Amazon for home cooking, packed with innovative designs, clever upgrades, and gadgets that make prep, cooking, and cleanup faster and easier. From hidden gems that save time to must-have tools that elevate every meal, this list is perfect for anyone ready to upgrade their home cooking game. Stick around. You won't want to miss a single tool, so... Number 1, StepRite Kitchen Mat. Step into comfort while cooking with the StepRite Kitchen Mat. Its anti-fatigue design reduces strain on your feet and back, letting you prep meals longer without discomfort. Non-slip and durable, it ensures safety during busy mornings or dinner rushes. Whether making breakfast or holiday feasts, this mat makes standing enjoyable. Perfect for home chefs who value comfort, this essential tool transforms kitchen routines instantly. Don't wait. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen comfort today. Number 2, Chefman Electric Kettle. Boil water in seconds with the Chefman Electric Kettle, a must-have for busy mornings. Its sleek, fast-heating design makes tea, coffee, or instant meals effortless. Auto shutoff and boil-dry protection add safety and convenience, while a cordless base ensures easy pouring. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for kitchens of any size. Enjoy the speed and efficiency it brings to your routine. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab yours. Number 3, Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro. Level up your baking game with the Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro. Powerful, versatile, and easy to use, it handles dough, batters, and whipped creations with ease. Multiple speed settings and attachments allow you to knead, mix, and whip effortlessly. Its sleek design fits any countertop while delivering consistent results every time. Perfect for both novice and experienced bakers, this gadget simplifies meal prep while saving time and effort. Click the description link now to get yours today. Number 4, Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo Blend. Chop and prep like a pro with the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo. Its high-speed blades tackle smoothies, soups, and sauces in seconds, while the food processor attachment handles veggies and dough with ease. Durable, versatile, and easy to clean, it's a kitchen multitasker everyone needs. Save time and enjoy perfect results every meal prep session plus 66+. Click the link in the description to bring this powerful kitchen companion home today. Number 5, Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Make homemade ice cream effortlessly with the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Its compact design fits any countertop, while the fast-freezing technology delivers creamy, delicious treats in minutes. Perfect for families and dessert lovers, it's ideal for creating customized flavors. Easy to use and clean, it turns any day into a fun, sweet experience. Click the description link now and start crafting your favorite frozen delights at home today. Number 6, COMFEE PMB Microwave Oven. Cook or reheat meals effortlessly with the COMFEE PMB Microwave Oven. Its compact size, powerful heating, and intuitive controls make it perfect for kitchens of any size. Quickly warm leftovers, cook frozen meals, or steam vegetables with precision. Sleek design meets functionality, saving time and energy in your daily routine. Whether for busy parents or students, it's a reliable kitchen companion. Click the link in the description to grab this essential appliance today. Number 7, Bonsenkitchen Vacuum. Sealer bags keep food fresh longer with Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer bags. Perfect for meal prep, storage, or sous vide cooking. These durable bags lock in flavor and nutrients while reducing waste. Compatible with most vacuum sealers, they make organization effortless and extend the life of meats, fruits, and vegetables. Save money and enjoy fresher meals every day. Click the description link now to secure this essential kitchen tool. Number 8, Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press Set. Crush garlic effortlessly with the Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press Set. Ergonomic handles, durable construction, and easy-to-clean design make prepping ingredients faster and simpler. Fresh garlic enhances flavor without the hassle of tedious mincing. Perfect for home cooks who want speed and efficiency, it's a small gadget that transforms everyday cooking. This must-have tool is in high demand. Click the description link now to upgrade your kitchen prep today. Number 9, Magic Bullet Blender. Whip up smoothies, sauces, and dips instantly with the Magic Bullet Blender. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean, it's perfect for quick breakfasts and healthy snacks. With multiple cups and attachments, it's versatile enough for any recipe. Its space-saving design fits any countertop while delivering professional results. Ideal for busy families, students, and health enthusiasts, this blender makes prep work effortless. Click the description link now to bring this powerful mini blender home today. Number 10, KEOUKE Rotary Cheese Grater. Grate cheese like a pro with the KEOUKE Rotary cheese grater. Its sturdy, ergonomic design makes shredding effortless while keeping your hands safe. Perfect for pasta, salads, and pizza, it delivers consistent results every time. Easy to clean and store, it's a must-have for any home chef who loves fresh, perfectly grated cheese. Click the description link now and upgrade your meal prep instantly. Number 11. Bella Electric Can Opener. Open cans effortlessly with the Bella Electric Can Opener. Its sleek, automatic design eliminates struggle and sharp edges, making meal prep safer and faster. Perfect for anyone with limited hand strength or busy kitchens, it saves time and reduces frustration. Quiet, durable, and easy to clean, it fits neatly on any countertop. Transform everyday cooking into a smooth, stress-free experience. Click the link in the description now to secure this must-have kitchen gadget today. Number 12. Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker. Make perfect sandwiches in minutes with the Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker. Compact and fast heating, it delivers golden, melty sandwiches every time. Ideal for breakfast, snacks, or quick meals, it's a fun gadget the whole family will love. Non-stick plates make cleanup effortless, while the safety features ensure worry-free use. Whether for kids or busy adults, this mini marvel upgrades meal prep instantly. Click the description link now to bring this handy tool home today. Number 13. Zulay Lemon Squeezer Extract. Every drop of juice effortlessly with the Zulay Lemon Squeezer. Durable, ergonomic, and efficient. It's perfect for citrus fruits, cocktails, or cooking recipes. Save time and prevent mess while enjoying fresh juice instantly. Ideal for home cooks who love flavor without the hassle. It's a small but powerful kitchen essential. Click the link in the description now to elevate your cooking with fresh citrus juice today. Number 14. SAFAZI Chicken Shredder. Shred chicken like a pro with the SAFAZI Chicken Shredder. Its ergonomic handles and durable design make prep faster and easier, saving time in the kitchen. Perfect for soups, tacos, or salads, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Safe, easy to clean, and efficient, it's a must-have tool for home cooks. Say goodbye to tedious shredding and hello to effortless cooking. Click the description link now to secure this kitchen game changer today. Number 15. Priority Chef. Potato Ricer. Make fluffy mashed potatoes and perfect purees with the Priority Chef Potato Ricer. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design allows smooth, effortless pressing every time. Ideal for potatoes, vegetables, or fruits, it saves time and ensures consistent results. Easy to clean and durable, it's a must-have for any home chef who values efficiency and quality. Don't miss out. Click the description link now to bring this essential kitchen tool home today. Number 16. Le Creuset Round-Wide Dutch Oven. Cook like a professional with the Le Creuset Round-Wide Dutch Oven. Its heavy-duty construction and even heat distribution create perfect stews, soups, and roasts. Durable, versatile, and easy to clean, it's a kitchen staple for home chefs who love quality cookware. Elegant and functional, it enhances any meal while lasting for years. Click the description link now to upgrade your kitchen with this must-have Dutch oven today. Number 17. Sharpal Knife Sharpener. Keep your knives razor sharp with the Sharpal Knife Sharpener. Its ergonomic design and multi-stage sharpening ensure perfect edges every time. Quick, safe, and durable, it's essential for slicing, dicing, and chopping with ease. Ideal for busy home cooks, it transforms meal prep while extending the life of your knives. Don't let dull blades slow you down. Click the description link now to sharpen your kitchen skills instantly with this must-have tool. Number 18. Hawk Potato. Slice potatoes and veggies like a pro with the Hawk Potato Slicer. Its sturdy design, sharp blades, and ergonomic handle make uniform cuts effortless. Perfect for fries, chips, or salads. It saves time and ensures precision every time. Easy to use and clean, it's a must-have for home chefs who love efficiency and convenience. Click the description link now to upgrade your kitchen prep instantly. Number 19. Jvar Onion Slicer. Chop onions quickly and safely with the Jvar Onion Slicer. Its ergonomic design, true sharp blades, and easy-to-clean construction makes slicing effortless and mess-free. Perfect for home cooks who want precision without the tears. It speeds up meal prep while keeping fingers safe. Durable and efficient, it's a small gadget with a huge impact in the kitchen. Click the description link now to bring this essential tool home today. Number 20. Kettle Vegetable Grater. Grate vegetables and cheeses effortlessly with the Kettle Vegetable Grater. Its versatile design and sharp stainless steel blades ensure consistent results while reducing prep time. Easy to use, clean, and store, it's perfect for salads, soups, and baking. Durable and efficient, it's a must-have tool for any home chef looking to save time while cooking. Don't miss out. Click the description link now to enhance your kitchen prep with this essential gadget today. That's a wrap on the top 20 practical kitchen tools you need. Don't wait. Click the links in the description now and upgrade your cooking experience with efficiency, ease, and style today.